Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel CapTech Pro. In this video, we'll see how to add multiple users in Office 365 through CSV. Okay friends, so we are on Microsoft 365 Admin Center and we have logged in with the credentials of Global Administrator. In Microsoft 365 Admin Center, now we'll click on Active Users. Okay friends, so you can see these are 7 to 8 users we have created in our previous video. These all users are part of CapTech Pro company. So we have created these users one by one. Now, okay friends, so now we have done a recruitment and we have to add 4 to 5 users in Office 365 and we have to assign them an email address. So every time it's not feasible for the global administrator to add a user one by one. So we have to add 4 to 5 users in bulk. So you can see there is an option add a users. So if you will select this, you will be only able to add a single user at a time. Now we have to select this option to add multiple users at once. So we'll click on this and as you can see it has prompted a new wizard and it's saying upload a CSV file with user info. Okay, so now you can see there are two links. The first link says that download a blank CSV file with the required headers and the second link says download a CSV file that includes the example info. So first of all, we'll click on the second link. So as you can see, it is now downloaded. We'll open this. Okay. Let me close this. Okay friends, so this was the sample file and as you can see, the first column is username, the second is first name, last name, display name, job title, department, office number and so on. So these are the fields you have to fill every time you will import a bulk user. So we have to fill this detail in order to upload the details of bulk users. So now let's go back to our Office 365 Admin Center. Okay, so now you can read this, avoid the common errors. So you have to avoid these common errors every time you are uploading a CSV file. So you can see the first common error is you can only upload up to 290 users per CSV file, right? The second common error is each user must have a unique email address. So you have to assign a unique email address to each user. The third common error is like you have to avoid these characters in email address. The fourth is email address can't begin or end with a period this. And the part of the email address before @ symbol must have a 64 character or less. It should not be less than 64 character. Then the last common error which we have to avoid is like save a CSV file, comma delimited with 16 columns, right? So we have to make sure whenever we are creating a CSV file, we have to avoid these common errors. Okay friends, so I have already created one file and I have entered the details of all the username who's are going to join CapTech Pro company. So these are the user details and I have assigned the unique username to all the users. This is their first name, last name, display name, job title, department and so on. So I have entered all the details. So you can also prepare the Excel sheet like this. Okay friends, so now let's go back to our admin center and let's upload this Excel file and let's see if we are able to successfully create these users on Office 365 or not. Okay friends, to upload the CSV file with your user information, we can click on browse. Now this is my file. So I will click on open. So now my file is uploaded. Now I will click on next. So in licenses, you can see select the location and product license for the 5 users you are adding. So it has automatically detected from the file we have uploaded that the user number of users we are uploading are 5. So the location is selected is India. So you can select or assign the licenses. So right now to all the 5 users, licenses are assigned. If you will uncheck this, so you won't be able to assign the licenses. So these are the 27 app. If you want to uncheck any app, so you can just simply uncheck the box, right? So let's go with all the apps and licenses. So simply click on next and now on review and finish editing multiple users, you can read the details and then click on add users. So it is adding our users. Okay, so you can see the file contains the sign-in information. So we recommend that you only send it on a person. So if you want, you can send the information of sign-in to our global administrator. So right now we'll simply download the result by clicking on this link. Now let me open this file. Okay friends, so these are the display name of the users. These are the username and this is the password. So let's go to admin center and let's see account of these users are created on Office 365 or not. So friends, you can see we have successfully created the user in bulk. Okay friends, so now let's log in with the credentials of any one user. So we'll select Chris Green. Okay friends, so we have entered the username of Chris. Now we'll click on next. Now we have to provide the password. Then click on sign in. Okay, so it has prompt that update your password. So we have to enter the current password. Now we have to enter the new password. After entering the password, click on sign in. Now click on yes to stay sign in. So as you can see, we have successfully signed in with the credentials of Chris. You can see this. The username is Chris Green and this is the username. Okay friends, so by this way you can create multiple users in Office 365. That's conclude our video demonstration. For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.